Pocket Park. We're in front of Diamond Head. There's the lighthouse that you can't visit, by the way.
We are Steve, Stephanie, Teddy, and Ellie, living the retired life through our RV and travel through other means. Let's go on an adventure together. Hello there. Welcome to our final episode on Oahu. We are going to explore the southern and eastern sides of the island, beginning with Diamond Head Lighthouse. This is a very short drive from Honolulu and provides some of the most breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean, volcanic craters such as Diamond Head and Koko, as well as beaches and Hawaiian hospitality.
Pocket Park. We're in front of Diamond Head. And there's the lighthouse that you can't visit, by the way.
Why can't you visit, you might ask? Well, it turns out it is the private residence of a 2-star admiral for the United States Coast Guard.
It's about 1,000 steps.
I just love listening to the roar of the surf. What about you? Let me know. Next, it's on to the Koko Crater, which is hikeable. Not that we're going to do it, but many do. It's a challenge. Adjacent to the crater is the Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve. Reservations are required. We go later. Also, the Halona Blowhole Lookout. This was a sight to see. Not only the blowhole, but all those people putting their lives at risk just to get that one shot.
Oh, there's the blowhole right there. When it comes in through here.
Just a short drive from Halona is the Allen Davis Beach, known for its tidal pullouts. Talk about a riptide. Next, we're headed to the Makapu'u Point Lighthouse Trail. This is a gathering for whale watching. Unfortunately, it's November through March. Everyone told us to go to China Walls for the sunset, and they were not wrong. It did not disappoint.
The next morning.
As I reported for work, we were celebrating the rating of Master at Arms, the 51st birthday. Master at Arms is the Navy's security police.
There we go.
So while we were on the naval base, we stopped in the exchange and I got the shock of my life. One of my favorite artists, known as America's Michelangelo, Robert Weiland, had put one of his famous whale murals inside the exchange. And only reason why I mention it because I know a lot of you will not have access to this, but I had to show you the beauty of it. I was stunned. This was his 89th mural out of the 100 in the series, and it's known as Humpback Realm.
Next, we headed to the Waikele Premium Outlet Mall. You might be asking, why would we go to Hawaii to go to an outlet mall? Well, number one, the locals highly recommend it for value. But also, they said there was a Tommy Bahama clothing outlet store. Who doesn't like Tommy Bahama? Yes, it had most of your normal outlet stores. American Eagle, Crocs, Nike, Tommy Hilfiger. Finger? Anyway, yep, it had your usual ones. And no, we did not get out without spending money.
What's that, Croc? That's...
Oh, I saw the Pandora. I figured you'd want to go to the Pandora.
You're right. It was painful, but we got a big discount, so
I don't know about a big discount. 10%.
I got $25 off of the Globe one that I've only had in my wish list for 2 years. So yeah, no, it was a...
All right.
Indoors, they don't have to come down in price.
Huh? Hawaiian and local style.
Okay. Chopped steak. There's a lot to take in.
Shaved ice, which is amazing. You got Leonard's. Steph's been crazing Leonard's forever. You gonna get custard?
I'm gonna get the assorted. One of these two.
Huh? 6-piece assorted? Here's your teas and coffees.
Nice. Yep, little bubble tea.
Thai cuisine.
The next day,
I did it. I finally got us tickets to Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve. Hanauma Bay is a lottery-type entry system so that they can limit the amount of impact we have.
Plane, vaping, and use of drones are not permitted in the nature preserve. There is a tram service available that goes to and from the bottom of the bay. It is free at this time, or you can walk up and down the road.
In 1967, Hanauma Bay was declared a marine life conservation area. They do have free trams that take you from the park's welcome area, also their gift shop, down to the beach. Or, of course, you can walk. The views are magnificent, breathtaking, astonishing, paradise.
How do I say this? You want to lock up your drone then?
You don't really need to pack much. They'll rent it to you. Chairs, snorkeling equipment, just about anything. And they do have food on site. But if you don't pack it in, you're taking a hike back up to the welcome area. And here's a pro tip. We thought we had limited time, maybe a 4-hour window. But no, once you're in, you're in. So we highly suggest, go ahead and bring your drinks and your food. You don't need to carry it all. You can ride the tram.
All right, make sure your snorkel is working.
Father!
Eaten by sharks while snorkeling.
And the snorkeling did not disappoint. Absolutely spectacular. A little shallow over the reefs. Need to be careful of the rolling surf. As the tide came in, I tried getting out further past the reef and was met with some pretty turbulent surf. Very concerned that I might scrape up against the rocks. Hold on, here we go again. Marine life is spectacular. I could spend all day looking at them. But remember, as you're looking down, that sun is beating upon your backside. Make sure you have that sunblock on. Of course, reef-friendly sunblock. Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve. Absolutely a must-do when you're visiting Oahu. It's that time. Time to return to Milwaukee. At least it's not winter.
Hey everybody, so it's Labor Day weekend.
Very sunny, nice, warm, 80-degree day in Door County. Fill them with water.
Oh, I'd love to go to Yellowstone. Yeah, Dad, can we?
Well, a little bit of drama on the way to Yellowstone.
Join us next time as we close out the summer season and head west to Yellowstone National Park.